And I think it's a big question. Demand is a big question, and we'll get to that. But really, Laurie, bullish spirit off the back of Nvidia's earnings has lifted tech stocks globally. But the big question is, have these results tempered all those fears over a potential AI bubble? I feel like we've been talking about this bubble for a little while.
And Leanne, we're going to be talking about this for a little bit longer, so let's settle in with this one. I think this is a conversation you and I will be having for a while. Last night, no bubble was the story. Bubble off was the story after these Nvidia results. And in after hours trading, Nvidia shares were up as much as 6%. Today we're back to, so 12 hours later, we're back to bubble on story. People are having trouble kind of picking through these results. And there are two potential problems here. One is this a bubble? And there are a lot of comparisons made with the early 1990s and the dot-com bubble and you know, what a disaster that was when that crashed. And the problem with the dot-com bubble is a lot of companies, as is happening now, put a lot of investment into infrastructure to build cable lines under the sea so that we could all use the internet. A lot of companies went bust. We are now using that infrastructure, but we didn't use it all as it was coming online, and that was the problem. That was what led to the bubble bursting. Could that happen right now? Absolutely possible. I don't think anyone who tells you they have a sense of how we will be using AI, how much AI we will be using, anyone who tells you they have a grip on that, I think is probably exaggerating a little bit. It's impossible to forecast how we will be using this stuff, how much of this stuff we will be using in the near term and over the longer term. So that's a big question. So bubble on, bubble off, it really varies from day to day.